So today I'm going to be talking about the mean value theorem. Now, what is the mean value theorem? It states that if the function f is differentiable and continuous on the open interval, just between a and b, point c that is equal to the function's average rate of change over a to b. Now this is pretty much saying that in the graph there are lines that are tangent to the secant line, which is this. Find those points. You would take the derivative of the function and set it equal to the average rate of change over the closed interval AB. This is otherwise known as the secant line, which is the blue line right here. And then you would simply solve, and the numbers that you end up with are the points which are tangent to the secant line. And you should always be careful and check and see if they're in between the domain, which is A, comma, B. Yeah, that's mean value theorem, and thanks for listening.